How to install WordPress in Hostinger. Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to easily install WordPress on Hostinger, one of the most popular hosting platforms. Let's dive right into it. Start by logging in to your Hostinger account. If you don't have one yet, sign up at hostinger.com and choose a hosting plan that includes WordPress support. Once logged in, head to your hosting dashboard and you'll find it under the Hosting tab. From there, select the domain where you want to install WordPress. Scroll down and find the Auto Installer tool. Click on it and select WordPress from the list of available platforms. Now, fill in the required details like your admin email, username and password for your WordPress site. After filling in your details, click Install and the process will only take a few minutes. Once done, you can log into your new WordPress site through the admin URL provided by Hostinger. And that's it, you've successfully installed WordPress on Hostinger. Now you're ready to start building your website. For more helpful tips, check the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.